Wow. Let's talk about tectonic token. Now, I've monitored tectonic token within the past 30 days, and all I can say is same story. Yes, same story. Even though in the past 13 days, Binance have been able to destroy, to burn billions of Terra Classic 2 times because remember this month, Binance burned Terra Classic. That was on the 1st or 2nd day of August. And also, as of last month too, at second, Binance also burned about 2.6, and this month about 1 point. So almost 4 to 5 billion Terra Classic have been destroyed by Binance. Okay, and I've been calculating this, and I'll also be checking the projects there which Binance have been supporting as other crypto exchange. I've also calculated the amount of trading volume from that period to now. You discover that nothing is really happening right now on Terra Classic, sorry. So I believe that Terra Classic, for me, if in 30 days nothing is really happening, rather based on the comparison, they've dropped in terms of market cap, they dropped in terms of the trading volume, they dropped in terms of the amount of wallet owned by people, they dropped in terms of their social media engagement. So what can we say? The only thing I can tell you is that nothing is happening right now. Nothing is really going on. Nothing is happening. Most Terra Classic holders are just having faith, hoping, and financial investment is where you shouldn't be hoping, but you should trade with with a technical and fundamental analysis. You trade what you see, you don't trade what you hope. So for me, if this continues, a lot of people might end up not investing more on Terra Classic LLC. So, and though there are still hope because we are looking at Wells to see if Wells might be investing on Terra Classic. Also looking to see if top holders of this coin might decide to burn some of their coins. Like for me, if they said let's burn 5% of our holding, 10% of our holding, of course, definitely I will support that. Yes, I will support burning at least 5 to 10% of my Terra Classic coin. Now imagine that almost all the holders, okay, we have almost 22,000 Terra Classic wallet. Imagine all these holders are burning 5 or 10% of their holding. I believe that we can destroy over 200, okay, between 200 to 300 billion. 200 to 300 billion, and by the time you add it to the current burning, at least we should be approaching 400, which is almost 5 to 6% of the total burn of Terra Classic. But apart from that, nothing is really happening with Terra Classic in the past 30 days. Okay, nothing is going on. Just like other crypto coin where they have project that encourages people to buy, projects that push people to invest. But for Terra Classic, I will tell you that nothing is really going on. So for me, it's a no for one to think of buying Terra Classic. It's a no for one to think of investing more, or for one to think of trading this coin. It's a no for me, because I believe soon, if this continue, I am going to switch. I am going to swap my Terra Classic coin to any other coins. Yes, I'm going to swap my Terra Classic coin. Maybe I will be swapping my Terra Classic from Terra Classic to Coin. Yes, I might be swapping Terra Classic to Coin, or I might be swapping my Terra Classic to Shiba Inu. And if I don't swap to Shiba Inu, another coin I plan to swap my coin is eCash or Tron. These 4 coins for me is something I believe they have good plans, good project, and they are working hard to get these coins at the top, especially Coin, especially Shiba Inu. Then, of course, like I mentioned before, eCash and Tron. These 4 crypto coins, I've actually bought and invested in this coin, but I think holding a coin that I feel in the next few years nothing will happen, there is no need. I should be investing in this coin. I should invest my money where it will bring out value in the nearest future. So for now, I'm still watching to the end of the month to know if Terra Classic, any good thing might come up. But if nothing comes up, definitely I'll be swapping my Terra Classic to Coin, Shiba Inu, Tron, or eCash. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.